Parents getting a letter tonight about guns found on campus.
That's how Volcano Vista families learned about a dangerous situation today. Reporter Alyssa Munoz is there live.
Yeah, Shelly, Doug. Well, the principal of the school said it happened earlier this morning, but this isn't the only school dealing with threats like this. Volcano Vista principal Melissa Cedillo sent out this letter to students' families saying a student was found with 2 guns on campus, one in his backpack and one in his car. A retired school police officer says in this case, a student came forward about this.
80% of the time, another student had heard rumors or had the knowledge that an active shooter situation was going to transpire, but didn't say anything.
Cedillo says the student had no intention of harming himself or anyone else, but having guns on campus is still against policy. Like 2 other Albuquerque schools, Volcano Vista staff was made aware of a threat. However, this threat was deemed not credible.
And there's been scientifically studied that if you have an active shooter situation or you have a situation with guns on campus, that it does have an actual for 14 days, 13 to 14 days after, you have a significant spike in similar calls throughout the country.
This is just one of a few threats schools across the state are dealing with.
But I know police departments across the country are being much more proactive in showing them arresting kids that are making these threats. We need to let the kids know it's not okay and you will be prosecuted.
Cedillo says they plan to have extra APD and APS officers throughout this week. Reporting in Albuquerque, I'm Melissa Munoz, KOAT Action 7 News.